Hi, my name is Sharvon Hamilton. The topic that I chose for the literature review is strategies for retirement planning. I chose this topic because according to a survey done by the Pew Research Center in 2017, 76% of all Americans are concerned about not having enough funds secured for their retirement. As financial planners, our goal is to really work with our clients to get this number down. We want the majority of Americans to feel that like they have a safe and secure retirement. So the question that I ask is, how can financial planners help their clients build a lasting retirement savings? I reviewed 10 articles from scholarly journals in order to come up with the ideas for this presentation. So the overview that we'll be discussing is challenges to building enough savings for retirement, strategies to help clients overcome the challenges, and policy recommendations to enhance retirement savings. So there are several challenges that Americans face when it comes to building retirement savings. And as financial planners, it's important for us to be aware of all of these challenges so we can help our clients use the tools to counteract these challenges. So first, there is lack of access to retirement accounts. Roughly half of workers in the private sector do not contribute to a workplace retirement system or don't have access to one. Nearly 5% of American workers have saved less than $10,000 in retirement. Personal savings are low. Underfunded emergency funds lead to early withdrawal from retirement accounts. Workers don't make retirement the priority. Since retirement is not right in front of them, it's easy to put the money towards other things like higher education for children, buying a larger home, or purchasing a nicer vehicle. All of these items are good things, but we as financial planners need to make sure our clients are prioritizing their retirement savings. In addition, rising healthcare costs are making it difficult for Americans to save money. Americans are spending more years in retirement and living longer, but not taking the necessary precautions to ensure that they're not outliving their savings. The longer we live, the more expensive it becomes, and as we grow older, we tend to spend less on travel and dining. However, our healthcare costs increase significantly. I think another challenge that we face is that our clients are not using all of the tools available to them for retirement. For example, dipping into your home equity and using that for retirement savings. When you're not educated about that or you're not aware of how to do that, you're not going to be able to access those tools to use for retirement. And then there's also just a lack of financial awareness. Basic lack of financial knowledge make it difficult for people to navigate complex financial structures. We've moved away from defined benefit plans, more into 401ks, and it's more of a do-it-yourself retirement. That can be very overwhelming for people who are not familiar with how these financial structures work. And instead of utilizing them, they just ignore them. So strategies we can use to help our clients overcome the challenges. We need to incorporate financial wellness into our retirement strategies. When I talk about incorporating financial wellness, I'm talking about helping them build behaviors that help with budgeting and making savings for retirement a priority. There are times when we have families that have to decide, am I going to save for college or am I going to contribute to my retirement fund? Each decision is different for each family. However, the priority should be the retirement, because college you can take loans for. There are other means to get those funds for college. We also need to help our clients utilize different types of insurances to help fill the gaps in their retirement. Life insurance, long-term care insurance, disability insurance. We should be able to help our clients strategically acquire these and use them to protect their earning ability. We need to help our clients utilize their home strategically during retirement. This could be using a reverse mortgage to help refinance and help reduce expenses. We need to help our clients make decisions that will affect the money that they have in retirement. As they get closer to retirement, they should start looking to reduce expenses. And that may require downsizing a home, looking at relocating closer to family. All of these are very important decisions that we need to help our clients make when it comes to the long-term access to their retirement savings. Another way we can help our clients is to help them create additional streams of income. That may be looking into rental properties or annuities, or a way for them to have a standard stream of income that's going to be coming in on a consistent basis that they can rely on during their retirement. And finally, we just need to help our clients automate saving for retirement as much as possible. Behavior studies suggest clients will save more if their savings is automated, making sure they are enrolled in their company retirement plans and receiving the full benefits of employee matching. So many employees have access to workplace retirement plans, but are not using the full capability of their employer matching. If they don't have a retirement plan, we need to find products that they can use as a retirement plan. Solutions to enhancing retirement savings need to occur at the client level, but there are also some policy changes that need to take place so that the improvements can occur across the country and affect millions of people at a time. So one thing policy initiative should be is to increase access to retirement plans in the workplace. The way we can do that is by easing the requirements for multiple employer plans so that more small businesses can pool their resources together and provide retirement plans for all of their employees, including part-time and temporary employees. We should also look at providing tax credits to small businesses who provide retirement plans for their employees. So that will hopefully stimulate more small businesses offering these plans. We also need to improve financial education across the country by incorporating financial education in the curriculum for K-5 through K-12 and above. We also need to educate more about Social Security. So many people are not aware of the benefits of delaying their Social Security distribution, that you would get a higher amount each month if you just wait to collect that distribution. And I also think we should look into establishing a national retirement savings account. We had this before in the MyRA program. However, it was eliminated in 2017 after not having a lot of success. And I think if we establish this program, we could use the lessons learned from MyRA and re-implement the program again. I think some of the key changes that need to be made is to make contributions mandatory, offer a variety of fund options, don't allow people to withdraw funds until a certain age, and make the enrollment and contributions automated. Participants would be able to opt out of the program, but only if they are participating in another retirement plan or through their workplace. Here is a listing of the references that I use for my literature summary or literature review, in case you need to